How to create workflows for subscription forms in the eSputnik system. When you transfer contacts to the system via the subscribe method, they are transferred unconfirmed. You need to set the corresponding triggers to send two confirmation emails. One would require a contact to verify their email address. Another one would notify on successful subscription. You can send campaigns only to contacts who have confirmed their emails. The following instruction is applicable only to subscription forms that are integrated with eSputnik via API. After you've set up integration, new contacts will be automatically transferred to the system. You need to create a workflow that will send them confirmation emails. First, create a confirmation email with a confirmation button by clicking which people will verify their email address. Go to Messages, Messages. Click Create Email and choose a template in Basic or Gallery, or create your custom template. This is a basic confirmation email template which you can edit as needed. First, enter the message name and subject. They are required for the workflow launch. The message name is visible only to you. The subject is what your subscribers will see in their inbox. A confirmation email should contain a confirmation button with any link. This basic template has such a link by default. By clicking it, the subscriber is directed to the confirmation page, notifying on the successful subscription. You need to assign this button to the event. Click the button and select Confirm Subscription in Event Type. This is a default event, but you can create your own if needed. Let's see how to do it from scratch. Save the current template and go to Automation, Event Types. This section contains default events available for all accounts. To create a new event, click Create New Event and enter its name and key. A key should be a unique combination of letters or numbers. In Category, select Click and click Add. Go back to the created confirmation email and assign the confirmation button to the event you've just added. Click Save. Now you need to create a confirmation email the subscriber will receive after verifying their email address. Choose a template in Basic or Gallery. Enter its name and subject. Edit as needed and click Save. These message settings are enough to set up a subscription form. Later, you can change them if needed. Now, let's move to workflow creation. Go to Automation, Workflows. By default, each account has two workflows for subscription confirmation. One sends an email address confirmation, and the second sends a subscription confirmation. Let's create a new workflow for you to know the process. A basic address confirmation workflow consists of 3 blocks. It begins with Start, then comes Task. In Task Name, select Obligatory Email, and in Message ID, select the created address confirmation email. Finally, add the block End. Enter the workflow name and click Save. A subscription confirmation workflow would look almost the same, so you can copy the already created workflow. The only thing to change is to select Task Confirmation Contact instead of Obligatory Email. Enter the workflow name and click Save. These two workflows are enough to set up a subscription form. However, if you transfer contacts via API, 2 types of events can be created: for new contacts or for existing contacts who filled the subscription form. In this case, you can leave only 2 workflows working, and the existing contacts won't be sent any confirmations. Or, if your subscription confirmation contains any incentive like a promo code or discount, you can create an additional workflow. We'll rename the already created workflow to avoid confusion. It will work for new contacts only. Create another workflow for the existing contacts. Copy the previous one and rename it. You also need to edit blocks inside. After Start, add the block Condition, and in Task Name, select Contact Confirmed. If the contact is unconfirmed, send them the created address confirmation. If the contact is confirmed, send them the subscription confirmation via the block Email. Note: Contacts transferred to the system via the subscribe method are unconfirmed by default. You can send them an email only via the task obligatory email. Once the contact confirms their address, you can send them emails via the block email. This is a workflow for the existing contacts. Click Save. If you see such a warning, not all blocks in the workflow are configured properly. In our workflow, in the block Email, we didn't select the email itself. In Message, select the created subscription confirmation. This is a required field. With all blocks configured properly, the warning will disappear. Click Save. Also, you can add a subscription confirmation email to the workflow that confirms a contact. Make sure to select the message itself. These settings are enough to set up a subscription form. However, if you're afraid that your confirmation email might have gotten lost, send a reminder. You can add the block Timer and set it for 1 day, and then add the block Condition, checking whether the contact is confirmed. If the contact isn't confirmed, send them the address confirmation email. Don't send anything to contacts who are already confirmed. Click Save. To activate the created workflows, you need to configure triggers. When you transfer contacts via the subscribe method, 2 events, subscribe from API and subscribe update from API, are created automatically. This first is to be used for new contacts, and the second is for the existing contacts. These events are created automatically if you transfer the same contact 2 times. After, start creating workflows. These events will be available for your account. For new contacts, select Subscribe from API and specify send frequency. We recommend setting 96 hours. This way, the same emails won't be sent to the contact who fills the form several times or clicks the confirmation button several times in a row. For the existing contacts, select Subscribe Update from API and specify send frequency. For the subscription confirmation workflow, select the corresponding event. Once all triggers are configured, start the workflows. Your workflows are ready. After you transfer contacts to the system, these workflows will send them to the corresponding confirmation emails depending on whether this contact is new or existing. The event Subscribe from API will be created for new contacts. They will be sent the address confirmation. If it's ignored, they will be sent a reminder in a day. The existing contacts will be first checked. They may exist in your account but may be unconfirmed. For example, they received the address confirmation and reminder, but didn't confirm the address and filled the form again after several days. Unconfirmed contacts will be sent the address confirmation again. Confirmed contacts will be sent the subscription confirmation. The unconfirmed contacts who confirm their address will be sent the subscription confirmation. Further, you can make your workflows more complex. For example, add a series of welcome emails and send them with a day gap. Also, you can check whether they're opened or not by adding the block Timer. Depending on whether the contact opened the previous email, send the corresponding follow-ups. Don't forget to finish each workflow with the block End. This is it. Thanks for your attention.